Good morning, guys. I was up bright and early, or dark and early, depending on how you say it. And I'm just getting everything we need for the day. We're going to the property to continue on doing string lines for the footing forms, and we are hopefully having an excavator guy come today to break up some bedrock. So hopefully that happens. I guess I just wanted to start off the vlog quickly, but I'll show you when we get there what we've done the last couple days. We went and saw a baby girl last night. She's still in hospital. We're going on week 3. I think this is 2 weeks fully now that she's been there. We're going on to week 3, and she'll probably be there another week or so. So anyways, I'll show you what we did when we get there. So yesterday we went and grabbed 45 2x8x8s for our concrete forms. We have been doing string line, laying out the forms along all the edges. You can see the orange running around and all the little stakes. Every little piece of rebar is actually our corner of our house, so we stake those. What else? Yeah, so that big massive mess should hopefully be fixed a little bit by today or tomorrow. We're gonna take out that chunk there hopefully, and then we got to take 2 feet off the top, so we'll see how that goes. We just had all the wood piled here, and we actually have to scrape out this wall a little bit, so we're hoping that he can bring the excavator down the ramp here and scrape that out for us. So we had to move all that wood into the back of Dad's truck. Okay, so we've had a hectic morning. I won't bore you with the details, but anyways, we are going to hopefully start forming this. So we have our caterpillar. Well, you gotta feed a caterpillar.
I didn't feed him wheat.
Damien's got a caterpillar in there with a leaf.
I didn't feed
So
him
these are our string lines, and we're going to pour our concrete footings 16 inches that way.
I need to feed him.
Oh, okay, you feed him. So, however, we forgot that we were using ICF, so we actually measured this for just a regular concrete form. So now what we're gonna do, normally you would put your stakes all along this side and then your boards or on this side. And now we're gonna just shift it to this side of the line, because we don't need 4 inches of concrete there. We only need 2 inches of concrete. So we're just working with it, but we have it all pretty much set up here, and then here, around the corner, jot, 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 and then there, and then that line there. And then I painted a white line up there. I went and got spray paint. So that's where we have to take the rock down, and then also that chunk hopefully. So that's what we're doing, and we'll see how this works.
Sledgehammer.
Oh. The 3/8 will be play for angles and everything anyway, so. Okay, so we have no hydro or power, so we gotta use the generator, of course.
8 feet. We gotta go 8 feet. No, yeah, because it's 11'4". So now we have to do the 8 feet or whatever it's going to be. Right? So 8 feet to there. We go this way, yeah.
To here, right?
Yeah. leave it for now. Okay. Now you want to go this way 8 feet, we'll put a stake in, and then we'll go that way 8 feet, put a stake in. Okay, but we gotta cut stakes, I guess. I think the 8/16 is working okay, right? What is this to say, right? Somewhere? Down the line? You got him, buddy?
Yes. Right here.
Wait, this is going to be too high here. Well, I don't care about that right now. I'm not cutting these, right? So.
Oh, that hurt the ear.
Okay, right? We're going to have to shovel this out.
You want me to scrape it now?
Yep, I have to.
Okay, so this is what we have done so far. This is the outside perimeter of the footing. And now we're gonna start along that wall. And we finished that wall, so. And then we gotta figure out what this is gonna do. Okay, I think our big excavator is coming. Yeah. So we have a big excavator coming. D, come. Damien, do you see that?
Go
big
up there quick.
Go up there quick. Okay, come here, come here. I'll lift you up. You can come see. We'll go see.
That big one.
That's a big one.
That yellow one. No rubber one. That one.
No, this is a big one.
They come down.
Hi. Look at that, Damien.
I do see it.
That's so big.
It's a big red blippy.
Wow,
Blippy.
like blippies.
Huh.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that, Damien.
Go up there quick.
He's so excited.
Mommy,
Oh,
go
so
up there
cute.
quick.
Go up there quick. Where am I going?
Up here.
Oh,
Everyone can come by here.
it is gonna come.
Go there quick.
Quick. I love you. I promised you a big excavator. And here it is.
That everyone come floppy.
It is. Diesel, come.
Go up there, Mommy.
Maybe. Look how much it slides on the ground. Like instead of going forward.
It's sliding. Does he know the wall's there?
Well, he's been here to see.
Yeah, it was a thought. He's so excited. And I love it.
Go there.
Yeah, go down there. Go down there.
Peel one.
Look at that, Damien. Take some of your mouth, please.
Pull jump.
Wow.
That is cool.
That is so cool, Damien.
Go there.
No, he's gonna try and break up the rock. Remember the spray paint? We sprayed the white line. He's gonna try and break that up.
You bring it up. He can walk. He can get walk. Try out some. Try out like that. That's your one.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Stay.
Oh, wow. Waterfall, Mommy.
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. Okay, so we have some huge thinking to do about this rock. He tried as much as he could to break it up, and it's solid. So anyways, I'll explain in a little bit, but I wanted to get Damien. You want to take a picture? Okay, say cheese. Papa, Papa, Papa.
Cheese. Turn back around. I want a pair of candy.
There goes the driveway.
Yeah.
It's actually holding up pretty good for the size of it.
Say bye, excavator.
She'd be doing it. It'd be another guy with a machine coming to do it.
Alright guys, it is 20 after 10 and I'm just getting into bed now. It was a really long day. We got home and I cooked dinner and I just kind of laid on the couch for maybe a half hour and then I came down and put Damien to bed and here we are now. I just wanted to kind of explain what was going on. The excavator guy tried pulling at the rock and he got a couple scoops, but the big chunk that we were thinking maybe was just like a big rock is actually solid bedrock. So we thought he was bringing his like hammer head on the excavator today, but he didn't. He just brought his bucket to see if he could get it up because it's such a big excavator. but he couldn't. So he's a really nice guy, and he just basically said, like, I don't want to feel like I'm ripping you off, but it's $3 to $5 grand to get this down, and there's another way you could maybe do it, by raising the basement height another 16 inches, which means we would go from an 8-foot high basement to a 9-foot basically, and that is an option. However, it screws up a lot of other things that we have to think about and just like calculate and whatever. So yeah, we're getting the forms done for the footings, which is good, but we now don't know exactly what's going to happen with the bedrock. We thought we had a perfect plan in place. He was going to come today, hammer it out. I was going to pay for like 8 hours, and yeah, but it didn't work that way. So it kind of put a damper on the rest of the day, but we kept working, and baby girl is doing really, really good. She was on CPAP this morning, and we went there last night. I don't know if I mentioned that, but we went there last night, and she was so agitated, and I knew it was the mask, the BiPAP mask. So they weaned her from BiPAP to CPAP, and she was on CPAP today. She was still agitated, so they took her off CPAP, they put her on high flow oxygen, and the nurse came back in the room, like I guess an hour later or whatever, and Kyle had gone grocery shopping for me. She went back in the room, and her oxygen was like at her eyes, and she was still satting really well. So they took her off oxygen. She did so good off oxygen. And I just basically said to the nurse, that's like amazing, I'm so happy, but don't let her like use up her reserve, which basically means that when you're on so much oxygen, your body can actually build up oxygen and hold on to it for a little while, and then you'll see your stats or your sats start to drop. So I said, just don't let her use up her reserve. If that's what it is, we don't want to get to that point. Put her on oxygen tonight, and we'll see how she does through the night. So she, as of right now, she's on 1 liter, and her sats are good, and it's awesome. So I'm so happy. She should hopefully be home. They'll definitely want to keep her like good for 24 hours, I would say. So that means at least another day in hospital, if that's the case, if she does really well tonight. But then we actually go camping. So I'm hopefully going to do a live stream. If I do it, you've probably already seen it. But I'm going to hopefully do a live stream tomorrow with her in the hospital and just update you guys, because I think it's been like 2 weeks since I've posted a video, and it was a sponsorship video. So I feel so bad that I haven't been posting, but it's been just hectic. Baby Girls is going on 3 weeks being in the hospital, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit those post notifications so that you get my videos as soon as they come out, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.